Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your GoDaddy account. And first things first, you need to actually first delete or maybe transfer your domains from your GoDaddy account in order to delete your whole account. So when you sign into GoDaddy, you're going to go to My Products, and here on your products you're going to choose your domain, manage. Then you're gonna click domain and domain settings. Now when you are on this page, you're gonna scroll down to the bottom until you see the advanced settings right here. And as you can see, you can click delete domain. After you will delete it, you will go to your account settings, which is when you click your name right here, you're gonna basically click account settings. Now when you are on this page, you're gonna click account settings here, and you're gonna click contact preferences, and then you're gonna scroll down until you see account. So you're gonna click on that and you're gonna close your account. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.